falls into the sky. The summer was alive, going to the end of time. I can see the daylight. I swear perfectly, is it really the end? Just like a stranger, so far